We are at the first stop, Sanford Porch Fest 2025, supporting the arts in Seminole County.
Hi, guys.
We have a man taking Gracie Joe's picture. Gracie, can you sit pretty? Gracie, sit pretty.
Oh, she's not in. She's fine.
Gracie, sit pretty. Look, sit pretty. Come on, sit pretty.
What's her name?
Gracie Joe.
Gracie.
Ah.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Is everything pretty close by?
Let's see. Whereabouts are we now?
This is Centennial Park, did I say it was? What did you ask? Music nearby?
Yeah,
I told you there's one on, supposedly on this side.
yeah. But I mean, are they all close?
Well, yeah, this is where we are right here.
Okay.
Somewhere in there. And if we go towards this direction, there's a bunch of them.
Oh, okay. All right.
So this is just where we're starting.
Okay. Thank you very much. We appreciate that.
Yeah, everything's mostly out that way.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks.
No problem. You guys take care, all right?
Thank you.
Thank you again.
Bye-bye. All right, Gracie, let's go. Yeah, get her out of my range.
Set up right here.
Where's the stage?
Right there at the steps.
Oh, okay.
You have to use your ears.
I am. All right. Okay, we have come to our first stop, and they're right on the steps over here. The First United Church.
Park it up here, maybe.
Okay. Hi, beautiful.
Putting the two together whenever I see it. So.
There he is.
Can I push this over here? Take it out of the way. We're going to put it right here.
It's like a big 5 minutes a quarter, okay? Download our app.
We were just setting the monitors. No, don't panic.
Don't worry, we'll be loud.
You're welcome to join in. Oh, we got a blanket so we don't have to hog yours.
Thank you for your patience, everybody. It'll be worth the wait.
How are the French fries?
Bless my heart and bless my soul. up above. Say, come on, Daddy, you got to come on up. You got to hold on. Yeah, you got to hold on. So bless my heart and bless my mind. I don't know where I'm gonna go, but I ain't got much time. There must be somebody. Hold on. Yeah, you gotta hold on. Bless my heart and bless yours too. I don't know where I'm gonna go, don't know what I'm gonna do. Well, there must be someone up above. Say, come on, Eddie, you got to come on out. You got to hold on.
Porch Fest. Her name is Belle. to the square, and they told me that the Porch Fest t-shirts are around the corner on the blue tent. So this place is mobbed. We are having a blast. This is our very first time here. There's Glen, Buggy, and Gracie Joe. There's another dog watching. This is called Park on the Park. Park on the Park. The city of Sanford is proud to recognize Martha, Yancey, Judy, all the volunteers for their efforts. Here's another pedestrian zone. Oh, dog has her choo-choo on.
Solid.